The Yangtze River, China's longest, flows with immense power. Stretching over 6,300 kilometers, it has carved its way through mountains and valleys, shaping the landscape and the lives of those who live along its banks. For centuries, people dreamed of harnessing its energy. The river has been a source of inspiration, sustenance, and sometimes devastation due to its powerful floods. That dream became a reality with the Three Gorges Dam, a project of staggering scale and ambition. Conceived in the early 20th century, it took decades of planning and construction to bring this vision to life. This immense structure, completed in 2006, stands as a marvel of engineering prowess. It spans over 2,300 meters and rises 185 meters above the riverbed. It's not just a dam, it's a symbol of China's rise to technological leadership. The dam generates over 22,500 megawatts of electricity, providing power to millions of homes and industries. Join us as we journey to the heart of this engineering marvel, exploring its design, construction, and the profound impact it has had on the surrounding landscape and its people. We'll uncover the stories behind its creation and the challenges faced along the way. This is a story of concrete and steel, of visionaries who dared to dream big in the relentless pursuit of progress, of massive machinery and intricate calculations. The precision and coordination required to build such a colossal structure are nothing short of extraordinary. But it's also a story about people, the thousands of workers who dedicated years to its construction and the millions living in its shadow, whose lives have been forever changed. The dam has brought both opportunities and challenges to the region. Let's dive in and discover how this engineering wonder came to be and what it means for the future of energy and innovation. Imagine a concrete wall stretching over 1.5 miles across a river, rising higher than most skyscrapers. This colossal structure is not just a feat of engineering, but a display of human determination. That's the Three Gorges Dam, a marvel of modern construction. Its design is based on a simple but effective concept, a gravity dam. This means its sheer weight holds back the water, like a giant bathtub stopper. The principle is straightforward, yet its execution is anything but. The dam's core is a solid mass of concrete, a material known for its strength and durability. Concrete is chosen for its ability to withstand the test of time and the relentless force of water. Millions of cubic meters of concrete were poured, enough to build a small city. This massive volume ensures the dam's stability and longevity. But concrete alone isn't enough. To reinforce the dam and prevent cracking, a web of steel bars thicker than your arm runs through its entire structure. These steel reinforcements are crucial for maintaining the dam's integrity. This combination of concrete and steel, carefully engineered to withstand immense pressure, forms the backbone of this modern marvel. Together they create a structure that can endure the forces of nature and stand tall for generations to come. Constructing the Three Gorges Dam was a monumental task. Imagine diverting one of the world's largest rivers, not just once but in stages. That's exactly what engineers achieved. First, they built temporary cofferdams, diverting sections of the river to dry out the construction area. Think of them as giant sandcastles, holding back the water while the main dam took shape. Then came the concrete. Massive cranes, some taller than the Statue of Liberty, lowered bucket after bucket, layer upon layer, forming the dam's enormous structure. Each section had to be carefully poured and cured to ensure the concrete hardened properly. The scale of the operation was staggering, a testament to meticulous planning and logistical brilliance. Section 4. Overcoming the odds: engineering solutions to monumental challenges. Building a dam of this magnitude wasn't without its hurdles. One major challenge was the site itself. The Yangtze River cuts through a region prone to earthquakes. To make the dam earthquake-resistant, engineers incorporated special flexible joints in its structure. These joints allowed the dam to move slightly during tremors, absorbing the energy and preventing catastrophic damage. Another challenge was the sheer volume of water the dam had to hold back. To manage the pressure, engineers incorporated spillways, giant concrete chutes that release excess water downstream. These spillways act like pressure relief valves, preventing the dam from being overwhelmed during periods of heavy rainfall. Section 5. The ripple effect: environmental and social impacts. The Three Gorges Dam, while an engineering triumph, has also generated considerable controversy. The creation of its massive reservoir flooded a vast area, submerging towns, villages, and historical sites. Millions of people had to be relocated, their lives uprooted by the rising waters. The environmental impact is equally significant. The dam has altered the river's natural flow, affecting fish migration patterns and aquatic ecosystems. Concerns about sedimentation and water quality persist. It's a stark reminder that even the most ambitious engineering projects come with trade-offs, sparking ongoing debates about the balance between human progress and environmental preservation. Section 6. A legacy in concrete and steel. The Three Gorges Dam stands as a symbol of China's ambition and engineering prowess. It's a source of immense hydroelectric power, providing electricity to millions and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The dam also helps control flooding downstream, protecting communities and farmland. Its construction was a feat of engineering, overcoming numerous technical and logistical challenges. The dam's impact, however, extends far beyond its physical footprint. It has reshaped the landscape, displaced communities, and sparked debate about the environmental and social consequences of large-scale infrastructure projects. Section 7. Beyond the Dam, a future shaped by engineering. The Three Gorges Dam serves as a powerful reminder that engineering is not just about building structures, it's about creating solutions that can stand the test of time and address the needs of society. It's about shaping the future, one innovative idea at a time. As we marvel at its scale and complexity, we are reminded of the incredible feats humans can achieve when we work together. However, we must also grapple with its far-reaching consequences, both positive and negative. The dam's legacy is a mix of progress and compromise, of benefits and trade-offs. It has provided immense benefits like hydropower and flood control, but also posed significant environmental and social challenges. It compels us to ask critical questions about the projects we undertake and their long-term impact on the world around us. How do we balance progress with sustainability? How do we ensure that our advancements do not come at too high a cost? Ultimately, the Three Gorges Dam stands as a reminder of our responsibility to use our ingenuity wisely for the betterment of both humanity and the planet we call home. It challenges us to think deeply about the legacy we leave behind. As we look to the future, let us be inspired by the possibilities of engineering, while remaining mindful of our duty to create a sustainable and equitable world.